Welcome students in this video lecture. Today our topic is BCD and XS3 code. So before going through these, we will briefly introduce what we mean by codes. By codes, we mean it is a representation of numbers, letters, or words by spatial group or arrangement of symbols. Codes can be classified as non-binary codes, binary codes, and alphanumeric codes. An example of non-binary code is a Morse code wherein we use series of dots and dashes to represent the letters. The examples of binary codes are BCD, XS3, gray, error detection, and correcting codes. Similarly, in alphanumeric codes, we have the examples of ASCII code, Baudot code, EBD, EBCDIC code, we have internal code. Now let us discuss binary coded decimal. As the name suggests, here the decimal number is coded in binary. Therefore, each binary number, that is 0 to 9, is represented by 4-bit binary equivalent. Therefore, it is a weighted code and it is also known as 8421 code based on the weights of different binary numbers. Let us take an example. 534 in decimal is to be converted into BCD. Now we know that in BCD, each symbol or each decimal number is to be converted into 4-bit binary equivalent. So 4-bit binary equivalent of 5 is 0101 and 4-bit binary equivalent of 3 is 0011 and 4-bit binary equivalent of 4 is 0100. Therefore, the BCD code is 0101 0011 0100. So this is the BCD code of 534 in decimal. One important thing that is to be keep in mind is that for 4 bits, number of possible combination is equal to 2 raised power 4, which is equal to 16. But only 0 to 9 are to be represented because we have only the decimal symbols from 0 to 9. Therefore, the number of valid BCD codes is equal to 10 and number of invalid codes is equal to 6. And these 6 codes are from 10100 to 1111. Now let us talk about XS3 code. It is also a 4-bit code, wherein for a decimal number we write a BCD, then we add 3 to it. Or we can simply write it is BCD plus 0011. Therefore, it is an unweighted code. Now let us write BCD and XS3 code from 0 to 9 decimal number. 4-bit equivalent of 0 is equal to 0000. BCD of 1 is equal to 0001. For 2 it is equal to 0010. For 3 it is equal to 0011. For 4 it is equal to 10100. For 5 it is equal to 0101. For 6 it is equal to 0110. For 7 it is equal to 0111. For 8 it is equal to 1000. And for 9 it is equal to 1001. Now for writing XS3 code, we have to add BCD code by 0011, that is 3. So for 0, XS3 code will be 0011. For 1, it will be equal to 0100. For 2, it is equal to 0101. If you observe BCD column, it is something like we are starting from here onwards. Therefore, let me complete the XS3 column. After completing the column of XS3, one can observe that if we take the complement of this XS3 code, that is 0111, we will get 1000. Similarly, if we take the complement of this, we will get this XS3 code. So we can observe that XS3 code has something called self-complementary property, which means that 9 complement is equal to 0, 8 complement is equal to 1, 7 complement is equal to 2, so on and so forth. The important thing to note is that it is the only code which is unweighted and still is self-complementary in nature. One more thing that also needs to be pointed out is that for a weighted code, if the sum of weight is 9, then it is always self-complementary code. For example, 2421, 3321, 4311, 5211. So if you look at the sum of the weights, so we can see we have 9 as the sum of the weights then such codes will be always self-complementary codes. Now let us practice some examples. In example first, 874 in decimal is to be converted into BCD. So I may write here 8, 7 and 4 here. So we have to write 8 in 4 bits. So 8 is equal to 1,000, 7 is equal to 0,111 and 4 is equal to 0,100. So the BCD for 874 is equal to 1,000, 0,111, 0,100. This is the BCD equivalent of 874. Now in another example, 48 in decimal is to be converted into XS3 code. So I may write here 4 and 8 here separately. So we have to add 3 to both of them individually. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 and 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Then 7 is to be written in 4-bit equivalent, binary equivalent, 0,111 and 11 is equal to 1011. So the XS3 code is equal to 0,111 1011 XS3 code. This is all for now. Thank you.